So, hello guys, welcome back to Code Nova channel. In this video, I will tell you about one an amazing opportunity is coming from the TCS only for batch 2026. TCS is again hiring for 2026 batch, but in this time they are not hiring smart students. If you are pursuing 3-year degree course such as BCA, BSc IT, BSc Computer Science, BSc Math, BSc Physics, and much more batches, which is related to only 3-year degree course. If you are pursuing Bachelor of Vocational course like CS or IT in the 2026, then this is the amazing opportunity for you. If you are not getting any job and if you are not get placed in any other company, then this is the last chance to get placed in 2026 because in this time many more company are not hiring for 3-year degree course and you don't want to go into the startup company, and if you want and if your dream is to be work in a MNC company, then this is the amazing opportunity. So basically, this is come from the TCS BSc Ignite hiring. If you already, and in this video, I will tell you about all the process. The basically registration status is opening soon. It will start it after 2 or 3 days, maybe, or 4 to 5 days maximum. Registration in date is 22 July, but I have experience in TCS Ignite or Smart Hiring, which is which was held on January. Registration and the exam is the 21 February. So according to my experience, I will share you all the details. So after opening the registration portal, you just make sure you will need to register as a first come first serve. If then this is the amazing opportunity for you because all this type of job is only for the first come and the first serve. And the test is conducted into the August month of 2026. Okay. And this is for, I've already chosen BCA, BSc IT, Science, Math, and Data Science Statistics. So okay. Then they provide very much more feature in this program as a TCS. If you know Excel, if you know basics of Word, PowerPoint, PPT, and basics of programming, then this is the amazing opportunity to you. You also know about the TCS Ignite High. You can go through the website and you can also watch, but in this video, I will tell you about all these things. First, you need to, when the registration portal is open, then you go to the portal and click on the TCS Next Step portal. And first of all, you need to first register if you not register. And one more thing here at this time, if you are pursuing BSc IT or BSc CS or BCA, then you must choose information technology. Okay. And if you have another background like BBA, BCom, then you can go through the BPS ID. But at this point of Ignite is only for the tech student. Okay. Then you need to register and register with full correct details. And it will generate your reference ID. After the registration portal is open, you can go and register now if you not register in the portal. And you just need to click apply for drive and make sure it is clicked. Otherwise, after 1 month, you will realize I have not clicked, and then it is surprise for you. And this is the last chance to get you placed. And it is held in the examination is held in the nearby your city or TCS Ion Center. And the test process is simple. They are asking for numerical ability, verbal ability, regional ability, and coding ability. So coding is optional, but you go through the coding. Coding is more important to get placed in coding. In numerical ability, okay, and the test eligibility is very simple, and you can also go through the this PDF and you can watch this test. So thank you for this video, and if you want latest update from the TCS or any hiring, must make sure you will subscribe this channel and join our WhatsApp group where we have already 200 plus members. So thank you guys. Let's subscribe and press the bell icon.